morning? As fine as usual. Feeling great? That's good. Okay. Always remember, you have to stay safe and stay healthy. Always eating healthy food and wash your hands regularly. Okay children, now it's time for us to do fun science experiment. Do you feel excited for our experiment today? That's great! So today, we're gonna do some experiment, rainbow rain experiment. Okay? Now, the things that you need to prepare are a bottle of water, or you can put a glass of water, vegetable oil, and food colors. So, if you're ready with the things that you need, let's redo for our fun experiment. Let's go! Okay, now I have food colors, oil, and water. So first, we have put some food color into the oil. Okay, I will put some red color. Okay, and then yellow. If you have more than 2 colors, it will be nice. Or if you want only have 1 color, that's also okay. You just make fun, something fun. If you have more than 1 color, that will be good. Okay, so I put some. You just need to put some 3 drops or 4 drops, 5 drops. It's depend with the oil that you have and the water that you have. Okay, now we will mix it. So we mix it. Okay, now I will put the oil into the water. Okay, and also in the glass and to the bottom. Oh, and look at this! Look at that one! Now, look at this one, guys! Okay, now look at the water, the food color is going down. It just look like a rain. Wow, it's amazing, right? It's amazing.